Hey guys, I'm Crystal.
I'm Fran.
And we are
Two Moms, Let's Cook.
Today we're making Indian fry bread. We're doing a double batch because we have 2 houses we need to feed. So we have 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 whole teaspoon of salt. Go. Alright, Fran, give it a little stir. Make sure you get it really good and mixed up with the salt, baking powder, and flour. Alright, next we're going to add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're going to put in 1 cup out of 2 cups of water and stir it up, and then we can add more as we go. Okay, so we have the dough all mixed up and it's just lightly sticky. We knead it for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to pull little balls of it and roll them up and fry them into our fry bread. So we'll just take small amounts, and then you're going to just kind of smash them with your hands. You might need to flour your hands because it is still a little bit sticky, and toss it into the oil until it's deep fried. We got our dough stretched out, and we're going to stick 1 in at a time. You don't want to put 2 in at a time because if they get too poppy, you might actually burn yourself. So just do 1 at a time, and you'll kind of just pull up and see when it gets golden brown, and that's when you know to flip it. About 60 seconds or so. You can also put taco meat on it and make it into a fried taco.
Ooh, it's good.
Fry bread. Delicious. So this is the other way you can do a fry bread. We put on some taco meat with the Kinder's Taco Blend seasoning, cooked it up, put it on top. We got some quesadilla cheese, we got some lime taco sauce, I'm putting upside down, and some sour cream, and some warmed up Tostitos cheese, and we're gonna eat it.